In this video, we're going to talk about how to convert calories to joules and how to convert joules to calories. So first of all, the first thing I want you to know is that there's a constant conversion term for converting calories to joules and joules to calorie. So for every 1 calorie, you have an equivalent of 4.2 joules. Okay, so say you're asked to convert 50 calories to joules. Okay, so you're simply going to say for every 1 calorie is an equivalent of 4.2 joules. So this means that for every 50 calories there should be an equivalent of, say, x joules. We are using x because we do not know the value of its equivalent in joules, so we are going to be finding x. So to find x, you are going to be saying 50 times 4.2. Okay, so 50 times 4.2 is equal to x times 1. Okay, so you're going to be cross multiplying. So you have x times 1, and then this means that x times 1 is x, which is equal to 50 times 4.2 is 210. So 210 joules. The answer is 210 joules. This means that the equivalent of 50 calories is 210 joules. Now, say you were given an example to convert from 60 joules to calories. Okay, so you might want to pause the video and try to sound out yourself. Okay, so the idea would still be the same thing. You're going to be saying 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. So this implies that for x calories, since we do not know the equivalent amount of 60 joules in calories, I'm going to be presenting it by x. So this is equal to 60 joules. Okay, so we cross multiply as we did before, then this should be 1 times 60 is equal to x times 4.2. So this means that 4.2x is equal to 60. Okay, so we are going to be dividing through by 4.2. So x is equal to 60 divided by 4.2. Okay, so 60 divided by 4.2 is approximately equal to 14.29 cal. Okay, so that's simply how to convert calories to joules and joules to calories. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe. Thanks for watching.